Okay, I'm cooking some oatmeal. What I done first was put some banana in it. I cut up a banana in small chunks and put it in there. Let it boil for a minute. Turn that thing down a bit. Put a little bit of oatmeal in here like you're cooking regular oatmeal. It'll taste something similar to banana nut bread. But I ain't putting no nuts in it. I use this quick making oatmeal. You can use the standard, it don't make no difference. Alright. Slap it around here a little bit. Okay. I'll wipe that up later. I use a little cinnamon. Not a whole lot, just a little. So whatever your taste buds like. I put that in there. So far I've got water, oatmeal, and cinnamon. You sure smell that cinnamon. That's good, right there. I don't want it too thick and I don't want it too thin. You make it as thick as you like your oatmeal. Okay. Then the next item I got, if I can find it. Well, where'd you go to? Here it is. I use a little brown sugar. To taste. So I got brown sugar, bananas, and cinnamon in it. Okay. While it's simmering, first I'm going to cut a couple of slices off. I'll show you what I'm going to do with them later. Maybe 3. Okay. Then I put the rest of my banana in there. Now I started off with bananas to make the water taste like banana. This here does not have to be as chunky. I want a little bit of flavor in it. Now if you got nuts, put some nuts in it. Walnuts, pecans, whatever you like. Okay. Now I turn it off. Find me a bowl. Like I should have got all this stuff started to begin with. Alright. Throw that away. Throw all these peelings away while I'm doing it. My stovetop is clean. I wash it with bleach. Is it good and clean? Good and clean, as they say in German. Alright. Now you take some of this. You don't have to put all of it in there. But since it's just me, I'm going to pour it all in there. While I don't eat, dogs ain't going to get it either because it's got cinnamon in it. It'll probably make good for them. Okay. Now, my next thing I like to put in it, now this is mine, preference, is butter. I love butter. And I put a couple of tablespoons in there for me. You can leave that out if you don't like butter. if you have cooked cinnamon bread or whatever, and I stir that butter in. Now, got my butter in there. I use a little bit of milk if I can find it. You can use cream, you can use anything you like. I like just regular milk. I put a little bit in there, a couple tablespoons. And then I stir that up. So I've got water, banana to a boil. And then I put cinnamon in it, brown sugar. Then I take some of my other bananas so I have a little chunks. And then I lay my 3 bananas on top. It's all about presentation. And there you go. That's my breakfast. I call it my oatmeal. Now if you have raisins you can put in it. Or nuts. Or anything else you want to put in there. But that's what my breakfast is about. Now you can always sprinkle a little brown sugar on top or a little cinnamon, but I ain't going to do the other one. So I think I got enough of it as it is. But you can put walnuts in it, pecans, anything you like. Remember, it's your kitchen. You can use this quick oatmeal like I do. Or you can go get the regular kind. But remember, it's your kitchen. Do whatever the hell you like. Talk to you later.